welcome to update on natural gas. So last time we discussed this natural gas. It was on 21st of September, I believe. It was on 21st of September we uploaded this video. So there in this video we mentioned that natural gas will drop in a 5-wave sequence on the downside. So third wave, which is the sharpest wave, was about to start at that time. So we forecasted that with the help of Elliott Wave, and this is the thumbnail of that video. I'll add a link above. You can watch that previous video to understand the better view of natural gas. So positionally where it's heading and what are the short-term and long-term targets. All these things we discussed in this video. So you can watch that video. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Do hit the like button and make sure you add the comments if you got benefited from this analysis. So let's see. This was on 21st of September. Let's see on the chart. So this was the chart. This chart I prepared on 12th of September, but I recorded video on 21st of September. By that time, it was already it has already broken this and then gave a small bounce. So we were somewhere here. Okay, so we were somewhere here at the time of recording, and then it gave a small bounce. We also mentioned that it could give a small bounce like this. In this video, you can see here, right? So there we mentioned a small bounce can come, and then the third will start. So this is how with the analysis went, and so how much percentage it dropped from those levels. Let's see that. So you can see here it dropped 35% from the level we forecasted. So you can say oddly 30 to 35% chance was there to go till this level. And we also explained why it can go towards this. In this video, you can see here, we mentioned that third would break this and then fourth wave will start. So the pullback level was also accurately identified. So this was mentioned based on ABC correction that started from its high as a A wave, then it's a B wave here, and then we were in a C wave, which is expanded flat correction entirely. So this is 3 and 5 wave structure, which is expanded flat correction. So all those details are discussed in a previous video. Maybe you can watch that video. So let's see what has happened internally and what are the wave counts here. So let me remove some stuff and show you the internal wave count. By the way, this third wave has dropped little more than 200% of wave 1. So when you plot Fibonacci extension on 0, 1, and 2, you get 200% at 5.559. Okay, it went little more than that. So almost 200% extended third wave we got. Then we got a pullback as a fourth wave, which nearly hit invalidation level. If this would have been hit, then it would have been invalid. But yeah, it didn't break that. It gave a sharp drop. So now we are in a pullback. Probably it will go like this and then a drop will continue as a fifth wave. So we'll check the targets for the fifth wave as well. Let's see the internal wave count. Let me hide this one as well. And let's see the internal wave count. So this is wave 3. So this is wave 3's internal wave count. You see here wave 1, 2 finished here. Internally 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth has a triangle, which is a running triangle. Then fifth, again fourth here is a running triangle, which is this higher degree third wave, and then fourth wave finished here. And then we have a fifth wave decline to finish breaking 5.349, which was the low of A wave. So this is how the wave 3 looks like. And let's see the wave 4 now. Let me hide this one. Let me open the fourth wave. So fourth wave again here, you can see ABC pullback. So A wave was a 3-wave structure, and then B wave as a running triangle again. A, B, C, D, and E here finished. And then we got 5-wave advance as wave C. And once that finished, we started the sharp drop on the downside. So this probably is wave 1, and wave 2 will finish somewhere like here, or it might have already finished. So it will break this low and then continue the drop. So we need to wait for break of this low. What is this low? Let's mark that low. Okay, so it can turn out to be an expanded flat correction as well. Most likely in the next session on Monday, if it starts the pullback, let's say it goes beyond 0.618 Fibonacci of this level, then we can assume that one more top it will make just about this, and then we can see a drop. So we have to wait for that drop. Okay, so let's see now the fifth wave. Hope the fourth wave is clear to you. So the fifth wave is like this. So you can see it has already went up, but here it looks to be a 5-wave advance, and this looks to be an expanded flat correction as a wave B. So here A wave completed, here B wave could be completing, and wave C could be pending, which will head little more above this and then could drop on the downside. So what is the next signal for us? We need to wait for, if it starts the pullback on Monday, we need to wait for a break of this level. Okay, so if it breaks this level by good margin, then there is a chance that it will make one more top just about this level, 6.678. So this can be wave B. So let me mark them as well. So this is wave A here, finished. B could be finished here, and wave C could be pending. So one more pullback upside can be pending. So this entire sequence, we can mark this as 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay, it can go down. It can go down further. Okay, so this can go like this, right? So it can go further down. We can expect 4.631 levels on the downside. So this is the most expected level while going downside, which is 0.618 Fibonacci. So it can break this level and pull back, give a pullback, a slow pullback is as a fourth wave. Okay, and then the fifth wave can go downside. So let me show you how we got this level. So when you plot Fibonacci extension on 0, 3, and 4th, you get 0.6 Fibonacci as 4.631. So that is the most anticipated target or most probable target for the fifth wave when third is extended. Anyway, fifth can also extend, but I will skip that for now because that is lower than COVID low, and I don't think it will go even beyond this. So max it can drop towards this. This is what I am expecting. So I don't think it's a COVID low. Yeah, somewhere below that there was a COVID low. Okay, so anyway, so what we can expect is minimum this level. If it breaks this by a bigger margin, then I think we can head lower. And what was the COVID low? Okay, COVID low was below 1 point, like somewhere near $1.50. Okay, so yeah, most likely it can go even 2.9 as well. So yeah, if this is broken by big margin, then we can expect this one, but the most common target is this one. So one can wait for pullbacks to complete, and any signal, any big fall below 5.896 would trigger the larger drop on the downside. So this is how we can look at natural gas. So let me save this chart for our future reference. So we'll refer this chart if our levels come true or not. Okay, so anyway, as I said, there is a good chance that it can start the dip right away on the Monday because this could be a 3-wave pullback, and then we should have started the drop. So that is also a probable case. So in that case, wave 2 will finish here itself. It will not like ABC could have finished internally. Most likely, considering the timing, considering the time it has spent in the pullback of wave 2, it is likely to give one more pullback just above 6.777, and then could start the dip. We need to wait for 1 or 2 sessions to see the next move, and then once from top it breaks this level. Okay, from top, once it breaks this level, there is definitely that it will start the dip. And what will be our invalidation level for this analysis? Again, break of this high. Okay, so again, break of this high will be the invalidation level. Let me mark this invalidation level, and let's see the drop to end somewhere near here. Okay, so this is how it can move. So see you next time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.